Condensation polymerization. Condensation polymerization is also called as step growth polymerization. Condensation polymerization means repeated condensation reaction between two bi or trifunctional group monomers, okay, and polymerization takes place, okay. Repeated condensation reactions between two monomers, okay, between two monomers which are two bi or trifunctional group monomers. Bi or trifunctional group monomers. This reaction takes place in the condensation polymerization, and reactions takes place in different steps, okay, and each step produces different functionalized species. Each step produces different functionalized species which are independent to each other, okay. And these species obtained are independent to each other, and so it is called as step growth polymerization because it takes place in different steps. And in this reaction, no initiator is required. Initiator required, and this takes place in different steps, stepwise manner, okay. Now, the mechanism will be, let A and B be the two monomers. So, what will happen? First step, A plus B give condensers and gives AB. Okay, this is the first species. Okay, first functionalized species. In the second step, what will happen? This AB then reacts with A. A is the first monomer and again condenses and form another species. Okay. Next, in the third step, what will happen? This species then react with B and produces next, and so on. Okay, like this polymerization takes place. Okay. Next, we are discussing about some important condensation polymers. Some important condensation polymers. So, the products obtained are of three types, okay, or they are categorized into three. Condensation polymers obtained are categorized into three. First one is polyesters. Polyesters means these polymers contains ester linkages, and these are obtained between a dicarboxylic acid and a diol. Okay, so the monomers will be dicarboxylic acid and diols. Okay, and for examples for polyesters are terylene or dacron. Now, next, another example is glycol. Okay, we will discuss later. And the second type is polyamides. This contains amide linkages. Amide linkage will be C double bond to NH. It contains amide linkages, okay, and these are obtained between the two monomers which are dicarboxylic acid and diamines or their derivatives. Dicarboxylic acids and diamines or their derivatives. Example, we already discussed about nylon 6,6. Then another example is nylon 6 or Perlon. It is also called as Perlon. We will discuss later. Now, third category is formaldehyde resin. Formaldehyde resins. Formaldehyde resins. These examples are bakelite and melamine polymers. Okay, that is, the reaction takes place between the monomers phenol. Examples: phenol formaldehyde resin. This is called as, so one monomer is phenol and another one is formaldehyde resin, and it is also called as bakelite. Okay. Second one is melamine formaldehyde resin. Melamine formaldehyde resin or melamine polymer. Okay. These are examples for third category, formaldehyde resin. Okay. So now we are discussing some examples for condensation polymers. First category is polyesters. Example, first one, dacron or terylene. This can be obtained from a diol called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, CH2OH, this one, on reaction with terephthalic acid. This terephthalic acid, N times, polymerizes. Water molecule is removed and the product obtained will be like this. Here one hydrogen atom is removed. So, CO, water molecule is removed. C double bond O, C double bond O, N times. Polymerizes. Okay, polymerizes and form dacron. This will be the product, dacron or terylene. Okay, so its important property is it is a strong fibrous structure. It is having strong fibrous structure, so it can be used as a blend with cotton and wool for clothing. Okay. In the clothing industry, it can be used as a blend with cotton and wool. Next, it is used for glass reinforcing material, in safety helmets. It can be used as glass reinforcing material. Next, other uses, it can be used for making seat belts, then sails, magnetic recording tapes can be used for the manufacture of magnetic recording tapes. Also, this can be, dacron can be used.